Hello friends, let's look at another core element of this new tool called Kortex, and we'll try to recreate that in Workflowy because my overall goal is to streamline my content production, and Kortex is exactly doing that. It's a tool made, a second brain built in order to create content in a better or easier way. What are the two main things? What are the two differences? The first one is we have documents. Documents is something like this we see where you either use it in order to create a project or you use it in order to create atomic ideas, sort of notes. But then we have something that is new that we don't have in Workflowy the same way, and that is called captures in here. When I click on capture, there opens a second pane where I'm able to really type in any idea I have. So when I go anywhere else and then I click to see the capture, it's not going to show me the rest because now I'm in another document where the rest will be hidden. You see what that means? That means almost like I'm able to capture ideas that are document specific. How would we do that in Workflowy? I think it's simply a backlink. That means if we type in personal development here, and then we want to have an idea on personal development, right? Oof, how do I find this one? Oh, here, yeah. Then this backlink would be that one. However, I enjoy to see the pane on the right side a bit more, as I'm able to kind of have that next to it. Nevertheless, backlinks would be something like that. Yeah, so I thought about it a little bit longer, and honestly, this is just another or nicer way of being able to display elements or backlinks next in a pane, in its own pane. So if I would do that in Workflowy, I would simply add the perfect content creation workflow. And once again, I would be able to have this to see something I'd like to add, which would be this one. And then the idea, that would be that one. It's pretty much the same, just that I have it next to each other and now I can be writing. So my kind of question to Workflowy would be, can we enable backlinks to be seen next to the note on the right side as a pane, for example, for the future once we're having panes? Then this would be a great addition. So I wouldn't have to, like, if I write something and if I go like far, I wouldn't be able to see the backlinks anymore. So I wouldn't have the options unless let's see. Actually with, well, we're exploring in real time here. This is what all those kind of videos are about, really, is if I use multi-window or whatever this plugin is called, I'm actually able to see the backlink in here. So if I open up the same thing, am I able to see all of the backlinks? There we go. Listen, we did it. So I would say I have pretty much recreated exactly what we have on the left side, the perfect content creation workflow. If I'm able to somehow copy paste all of this in here, there we go. The whole element thing, the hierarchy thing is missing, but the rest is in here. So I've pretty much created the same document as in here, and I'm able to see the backlinks, which would be this one. But if I want to go into all ideas, that means I would have to go back to capture. Well, there we go. And I have all my ideas. And now we can, again, the same way, do personal development as a hashtag, or let's say, what's another one? Maybe this is content creation. And I'm able to do pretty much the same that I would be if I would add any hashtags in here. So to break it down, yes, we can absolutely recreate this feature of having capture and documents in Workflowy by simply having a documents and capture bullet and dividing all our content into those two. And if I break it down, because the main idea here really is, how do I make my workflowy, not workflow, but like a content creation workflow better? And the way I do it is, if some writer, in this case, not even some, it's like a good writer who's an expert in content creation, like he puts out a lot, has created his kind of system, and I'm able to recreate the system in Workflowy without having to like leave all of the good ideas. Maybe this is a better structure for me that enables me to put out more content. So I'm definitely going to try this out. I will work with backlinks in panes or in like multi-windows now. And I'm absolutely structuring my output folder closer to what this looks like, and then we'll take it from there. But yes, another feature, documents and captures, just having, I've just been able to recreate that in Workflowy without any issues. So yeah, let's see if we can do the same with something else. But for now, I'm confident to stay. So things are cool.